Yes, miss. Actually, ito lang, yung SS.
Ganito, di ba? SS, HF, etc. Tapos ito yung respondent. Tapos ang pag-record mo, respondent 1, for example.
1.
Say 1, tapos 0, 0. What if, for example, puro 0 ito? So, wala kang makikitang response kasi puro 0.
Actually, here, I have some, parang an input for that. Parang, for salon, yung from all the products and services, for all deal sites, only restaurant has parang a frequency that's more than 50%, which is 67.
Yun. So that would explain, it's because according to the frequency distribution, most of the respondents, di ba, chose restaurant as the preferred product rather than SS, HF, and retailers.
Tapos yung for SS, it's parang borderline lang ng 50%, which is 49.7%.
So, you can cite those, yung mga percentages na nakuha mo. So, cite yung frequency distribution or percent share of responses for preference, for product preference. Yun yung lalagay mo dito. Plus, ito. Lagay nyo dito that according to this website, if the R square is very small, tendency is for adjusted R to become negative. Kasi pag ini-square mo, magiging negative talaga siya. Okay, kung napakaliit. And then, yung state mo na yung product preference choices, only restaurant had the highest response rate, which is more than 50%, while the rest would have less than 50% response rate. So, ito, para naman hindi rin valid. What is this? Choice of, preference of deal site. Parang ganito rin yung forma nun. So, dito naman, deal site. Si Ensogo, ganyan. So, ito, tinan mo, hindi siya nag-negative.
Pero hindi siya significant.
Hindi siya significant. At saka, sa sobrang liit din nung, kung makikita natin yung R-square nito.
Hindi rin siya positive.
0 na.
Hindi, it's not, this is better than the first case kasi ito negative. So, ito, ang explanation din, it's because this model has a very small R-square. Which makes its adjusted R square even smaller than R.
So, Miss, when we phrase it, cannot effectively explain.
Dito pa lang di ba ito yung una mo explain that this model, that RBB cannot be explained by the choice of deal sites with p-value of 0.388 and therefore, it has zero explanatory power. Ibig sabihin, the choice of deal sites cannot effectively explain the RBB. So, ano yung sabihin nun? Sa mga Filipinos, they don't have a certain deal site preference in order to buy more. So, yung sabihin, open playing field, lahat ng deal sites.
Miss,
walang loyalty.
Miss, I have a question. Paano kung kasi it's not from, like, there's this respondent who just messaged me on Facebook. But it's not part of the survey. Like, he didn't put that. Kasi parang there's here.
Pero itong data na to, galing to sa survey.
Yes.
Ano itong sinasabi mo?
There's one of the respondents. But, like, I just found him on Facebook. He messaged me kasi parang he's a deal site user. Then he said, I think for Filipinos, we don't really have what's this? We don't really have
parang loyalty sa
deal sites. Parang we choose any deal site. What we really look at is the price. Like,
pero may kasama siya sa respondents mo.
Yeah,
i-quote mo siya dito.
Pero wala yung name niya dun, sir.
It's okay.
Okay.
So,
pwede yung gamitin.
Logical yung sabi niya parang sinasabi ko ngayon, di ba?
Print screen na sa appendix.
Oo. So, yun. Just like yung sabi ko kanina, open playing field. Ang Pilipino, hindi sila sensitive kung anong deal site to buy more. So, they only patronize whatever is the product.
Or the price.
Mo, Pero hindi nyo tinignan yung pricing eh.
Pero pwede yun sabihin sa
Pwede, pero
recommendation.
yun nga, hindi siya kasali sa study nyo. Kasi among the 8 Cs, meron ba dun about pricing?
Wala. Mas other factor.
Other factors.
Yun yung other factors na lalabas na based on their additional comments, di ba? Ayun yung pwede nyo idagdag among the 8 Cs, yung price sensitivity.
Yes, it's not useless.
So, hindi accepted. And then 8, valid. Word
Tapos,
of
Miss,
mouth.
I think that guy is also an expert. Kasi parang he worked before for Deal Dozen. So, he really knows like how it
Eh di kung may tanong pa kayo, email mo,
Yeah, sabi nga niya,
na,
email.
yun yung mga inquiries. Bakit kaya ang mga Pilipino ganito, preferred nila hindi nila preferred ang salon and spa to buy more, but they prefer salon and spa to be advertised through word of mouth. Diba? Sabi mo, anong meron ng salon and spa? Bakit ganun?
Pwede natin siya nag-comment sa mga.
So ito naman, yung Metro Deal and Sogo and Deal Dozen significantly influence the word of mouth behavior. So, ibig sabihin, sila yung most
Sila yung
popular
top
na
10.
i-advertise using word of mouth. Anong meron sa Groupon? Anong problema sa Groupon?
Baka may
Hindi
experience
siya yung
silang
top.
service or something.
That's, you have to find
Yeah,
out.
Parang
What's
may
wrong with
nakikita ko
Groupon?
nagko-comment. Miss, pwede bang ilagay din dyan? Kunyari, kasi may mga Facebook site sila, tapos may nagko-comment doon pag minsan na negative.
Kasi it's considered as a published source once you put it up in the What's wrong with Groupon?
So we can use Facebook.
So, pwede yung mga blogs or comments about Groupon.
Negative.
Pero wag naman yung sobrang you have to
Yeah.
you have to validate first if it's true kasi mamaya
One
chismis lang yun. Patay tayo dito pag naglagay tayo ng
So,
speculation
Miss,
lang.
kailangan, like,
Kailangan
madaming
Experience din.
Oo, yung experience. At saka, tingnan nyo talaga yung site ng Groupon. Ganun ba talaga?
kung not more, like, dapat may specific
yung
number.
inirereklamo nila. Talaga bang may proof dun sa website ng Groupon or among the terms and conditions na ganun na nangyayari. Pero mas maganda kung makakakita kayo ng tao
Miss,
from
pwede namin
Groupon.
gamitin.
Pwede nyo itanong ano yung usual na alam mo, kung malalaman lang nila yung study na to, sasagutin nila kayo eh. Kasi malamang di nila alam kung nangyayari sa sa mga
Miss, meron siyang with connection Metro.
ano ka sa Groupon?
Miss, sa Metro Deal lang.
Metro Deal.
Yung own.
Hindi, kasi hindi mo pwedeng tanungin ng Groupon, ang
Yeah,
Metro Deal
Metro
about
Groupon.
Groupon kasi syempre bias ka.
I know
agad
lang,
ka
yung the guy, yung nagsabi ng, about the e-loyalty na he thinks there's no, parang, for Filipinos, parang, they're not loyal to one deal site.
Hindi, pero ito lumabas na i-word of mouth nila
Yes,
tong
yes.
tatlo but not Groupon.
Yes, miss.
Diba? Ano yung
Basta meron akong kakilala sa Ensogo.
Ganito na lang, para hindi chismis. Based on the survey result, ano yung mga open-ended na comments nila? Bakit yung hindi favorable for Groupon? Meron bang
Pero
kayo
miss,
nakuha?
wala. Kasi
Dapat pala may
yung,
question.
For all
yung
yung
other factors na sinabi nila, tsaka yung mga recommendation, it's parang for the,
tatlo lang.
kasi diba they answered as Metro Deal and Sogo or Deal doesn't subscriber. So parang, yun lang yung
So, among the sino pinakamarami subscribers?
Retro Deal.
Metro Deal yung pinakamadami, pero yung pinakamadaming respondent.
Hindi, ganito. Baka naman kaya naging bias yung result.
Kasi,
Konti ang nakuha natin sa
miss.
Groupon.
Yun yun. Wala nga. Kasi,
Hindi,
diba
yung nag-top 1 sa kanila, miss, pero like 5 lang. 5 lang ata.
parang only 5 people rated
Pero,
Groupon as their
diba,
preferred deal site.
Yung distribution natin ng respondents, Groupon ang pinaka-konting percent share.
No, miss.
Paano
Groupon
natin kinama?
is not part of the deal sites. Kasi
Sa
ba what we
top
did
yan.
was top 10 deal sites, then you pick.
Yun nga, pero ibig sabihin, yung nakuha nating respondents, meron na sila talagang ginagamit na deal site.
Yes, miss.
Nagkataon
Yung tatlo.
na yung
Grupo ni number
yung nakuha
one.
nating respondents, hindi talaga sila subscriber ng Groupon. Tama? Kaya magiging
Yes,
bias
yeah.
talaga.
So, is this
So, miss, natanggalin namin.
Hindi.
Sasabihin
ipapaliwanag lang
explain,
natin
miss.
bakit ganito.
Pero mas ilalagay pa rin.
Lalagyan natin dito, the result may be caused by yung the number of subscribers, Groupon subscribers that you got from your survey is only how many as compared with in top 3 nyo. Kasi paano ba nagsimula yung study? Pumunta kayo sa Facebook, di ba? Tapos tinanong nyo kung deal site subscriber sila. Tama? Pero no specific deal site. Paano nyo, paano nyo ba in-approach?
Screening, miss. Screening question.
Ano yung tinanong?
Para miss, are you a
Subscriber of Metro
Sinabi
Deal
namin
and
yung
Sogor.
Okay, tapos?
Yes.
Tapos, miss, pag no, X.
Okay.
So, if
yung mga nag-yes,
Miss, kasi kunyari, they're subscribed to 2. Groupon and Metro Deal. Pero since Metro Deal lang, Metro Deal yung sinagot nila. Pero sa end, Groupon pala yung mas
gusto ko
preferred.
kasing i-emphasize na ginawa niyo yung survey without any bias in mind, na parang inopen nyo sa lahat na are you a deal site subscriber without saying na are you a Groupon, are you a ganyan. Sa simula pa lang ng study. Di ba walang bias as in deal site subscriber ba kayo?
Are you a subscriber of
No, miss.
Yung tatlo
It's biased na, diba? First, yung, are you from Metro Manila? Kasi diba we're screening lang for Metro Manila. The next one is, are you subscribed? Which of the following deal sites are you subscribed to? Then,
Walang bias, di ba? Kasi binigyan mo sila ng choice eh.
pero meron yung walang. As in, walang order. Kunyari,
Walang Groupon doon.
Wala.
Kasi
Ayun,
3
bias na. Kasi tatlo lang yung binigay mong choices eh.
Pero miss here, I have a, sagot dyan. Not just because it's biased, but yung isa is, diba according to our source, to get, yung most Facebook likes nga. So, Facebook likes pa lang, Groupon already has like the low. I mean, yung Metro Deal and Sogor and Deal Dozen are the top 3. Then the
okay.
fourth one is Groupon.
Sige.
That can be, diba?
So, based on selection criteria nyo, diba, you used Facebook number of likes. And it came out, ito, top 3, ito.
Which is connected naman to word of mouth.
Yes.
Kasi sa Facebook,
Correct.
people-
Ayan. Ayun yan. And Groupon is last.
So, miss, hindi na.
Alin?
parang hindi na pala natin kailangan humarap.
Hindi, pwede rin. Ito yung what's wrong with Groupon eh. Kasi based on your initial, tinignan mo,
Bakit siya odd?
yung Facebook likes, yung ranking nila, last ang Groupon. So, yun na yung sagot kung bakit ganyan.
Actually, mas yung iba 0 eh. Groupon lang yung may nag-2 ata.
That's why, miss for all.
Zero.
Mas 10 sila lahat.
Okay.
Yung deal site.
yung pinarate
mas
sa
hindi na
Facebook.
nasama kasi 0 na.
So, yung Facebook likes?
No,
Yung
miss.
sinasabi niya, yung bago pa kayo nagsimula ng study, ang naging basehan nyo is Facebook likes. So, initially, ganun na yung tingin, di ba? Ito yung source nyo. And then, second reason is that when we ask them to rate the preferred deal sites, Groupon
na pasok.
had the pang ilang ranking sila? Fourth among the 10th.
Yes, miss.
Yun din, another reason. Pero ito yung number 1. Kasi, outside sa inyo to eh. Kumbaga, hindi kayo bias. Facebook ang nag-rank niyan, di ba? Ayun talaga lumabas. So, automatically, syempre, kung Facebook nagsabi niyan, lalabas sa study niya na last talaga ang Groupon.
So, ibig sabihin, it follows the
Kasi yung
literature.
nakuha mong respondents, galing sa Facebook na least preferred nila ang Groupon. So, automatic, di ba, kukunti talaga ang may gusto sa Groupon.
So, this
sa study
this
mo.
like proves this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Ganun yun. Okay, so 9.
Same. I reject.
Hindi ba nag-negative?
Pero
O,
hindi siya
reject?
significant.
Okay. Sige.
Ayan, miss, each.
Kasi willingness to pay more na naman, which is the Filipino.
So, eto maganda, mag-summarize ka sa conclusion, side by side ng Metro Deal and Sogo, tsaka Deal Dozen.
Lalagyan
Pero
tayo ba,
miss, yung what we looked at to summarize it is the sales turnover.
Yung index